How to create Google Form survey questionnaire. First thing first, you want to head over to your browser. At the top search bar, type in Google Forms. Then you will see Google Forms sign in. Open that link. Wait for this to load and then you will get landed onto a page like this. On the first tab, you will see questions. On the second, there are responses and third is settings. So once you make all the question and send out to people, if they answer your question, you will see it everything on the responses. In order to create questions, let's give it a title first. I'm going to type in test form. You can give any title for the form that you would like. Under untitled questions, I have my first question here. Now, once you are done with your question, select if it's going to be multiple choice, check down, drop down, or any other. Now, in my case, I would like to make it multiple choice. So you may go ahead, type in your first option. So let's go ahead, type in Venus. Then if you would like to add another option, tap add another. Here, let's go ahead, select Uranus. And likewise, you may go ahead add another questions as well. Now, if you would like to add another question, all you have to do is tap on this plus button at the below section. And you can see other question can be added just like this. Now, once you're done with your form, you have to first publish it. For that, tap on the send button, tap publish. And now you have to share this with people. Tap on this person icon, and here, copy the link, or you can also type in the name of the people that you would like to share it with. And just like so, this is how you can do it.